This is a guide on replacing a screen on an Asus X553S laptop. For the replacement process, we'll need an X-Acto knife, a Phillips screwdriver, and a plastic pick. To begin, shut down the laptop and disconnect the power cord. The next step is to remove two tiny plastic covers to get access to the two screws holding the bezel in place. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws. Using a plastic pick, pry off the inner side of the bezel away from the LCD. Go around the perimeter, unsnapping the tabs underneath. Turn the laptop sideways and using a plastic pick, release the bezel at the bottom of the screen. Using a plastic pick, release the hinge cover. Put it aside. Release the bezel at the bottom and put it aside. The LCD is held in place with 4 screws in the corners. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws. Place the LCD on the keyboard. Peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Using both hands, gently disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new LCD on the keyboard. Reconnect the video cable. Secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. As well, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up and lean it against the back cover. Reconnect the power cord and test the new screen. The screen is working and we can finish the installation process. Make sure that the video cable stays in the correct position and replace the 4 Phillips screws. Replace the bezel. Start from the bottom, then go around the perimeter snapping the tabs back in place. Using one hand to support the back cover while snapping the bezel at the bottom. Replace the hinge cover. Close the laptop and make sure that the bezel is snapped in at the bottom. Replace the 2 Phillips screws in the bottom corners. Using an X-Acto knife, replace the 2 tiny pieces of plastic covering the screws. Reconnect the power cord, turn the laptop on, and we're done.